To connect a Phantom Wallet to Nodepay, start by ensuring you have a Nodepay account and the Phantom Wallet extension installed on your Chrome browser. Next, navigate to Nodepay and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. If you don't have a wallet connected, you'll see a button that says Connect Wallet or something similar. Click on this button. If you already have a wallet connected, the button may say Change Wallet. Click on this instead. A list of available wallets will appear, and since Phantom is an extension, it should be detected automatically. Click on the Phantom option, and a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to confirm the connection. Press Verify and then Confirm to proceed. Once the connection is successful, you'll receive a message indicating that your wallet has been linked. You may then be prompted to verify your email confirmation. If the verification is successful, you're all set. However, if it's not, you'll need to verify a link in your email. To do this, click on the verification button, and you'll receive an email with a Confirm Your Wallet button. After pressing this button, your wallet will be connected. That's the entire process.